Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is, are molality and molarity equal when they're dilute? And the answer is almost. So let's review what molality and molarity are. So, molarity has the units of moles, makes sense, right? Molarity, of solute over liters of solution. Whereas molality is equal to, still the same thing on top, moles of solute over kilograms. And this is the big difference of solvent. So, solvent down here, solution up here. So why does that matter? Well, just to refresh, remember that if you put salt, a little bit of salt, into a cup of water, then it dissociates, and you have your solution here. Your salt was your solute, your water was your solvent, and this guy with both of them is your solution. So both of these terms are ways of measuring how much solute did you put in your water or your solvent to make your solution. And so the key here is that the denominator here is liters of solution, which means that first you would add your solid and then you would add your water right until it got to the 1 liter mark. And here it's kilograms of solvent. So the moles of the solute are completely separate from the kilograms of the solvent. So basically, depending on how much solute you add, this will change. But depending on how much solute you add, it doesn't matter. It can't affect the kilogram of the solvent. So that's why molarity and molality get closer and closer to the same thing when you have dilute substances. Because if you have almost all water besides a couple of specks, then it's basically going to be 1 liter of water because the solution, the solute doesn't really add that much. And this will, when it's 1 liter of solution, since the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter, that will equal 1 kilogram of solvent. But if you dump 10 cups of salt into a water that's 1 liter, it's going to have a volume that's way more, but the kilogram will still be just 1 kilogram of water. So really dilute, they're almost equal. The more concentrated the solute, the less equal they are and the more separate they are because of this solvent down here. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been the differences between molarity and molality when they're dilute.